Okay, question 1, part A. So we want to integrate this here. Now, before we integrate, we need to write this as a power. You've got the 4th root of x, so we write that as x to the power quarter. Okay, take away 9 x to the power 5 over 2 dx. And again, just before I'll integrate, I'm going to rewrite this as the integral of 3. Now I need to take that up, so x then to the power minus 1 quarter, take away 9 x to the power 5 over 2 dx, and then when you integrate we add 1 to that power there, so that will become 3x, add 1 to that, you get 3 quarters. Okay, so minus a quarter, add 1 is 3 quarters. You could use a calculator. You've got to divide by this new power, which is 3 quarters. Take away then 9x, again add 1 to this power, so you get 7 over 2. Okay, and divide by this new power, 7 over 2, plus then a constant. Don't forget, constant of integration needs to be added on. Now we could simplify this. Of course, 3 quarters on the bottom, you flip the fraction, the 4 goes up the top, you multiply, so you get 12, and then 12 over 3 becomes 4. Take away then that 2 goes up, multiplies, so you get 18 x power 7 over 2 all over then 7, plus then your constant, and you're done. You've answered part A. Part B, okay, we're asked to integrate this here because we asked for the area of the curve. Now we could sort of imagine maybe what this could look like if we just draw a sort of sketch of a curve. Now it says that they want the area bounded by this curve, the x-axis. So here's your x-axis, your line x equals 1 and x equals 4. So so if you had 1 here and 4 here, you'd want this area here. Okay, so all we need to do is integrate the curve, which is 2x squared plus 6 over x squared dx, and we've got limits. Okay, so the lowest value is 1, highest is 4, so we do that with our limits. Again, before we integrate here, I'd be interested in taking any power on the bottom up to the top, because it's much easier to integrate that way. So that becomes x to the power minus 2 when you take that up. And then when we integrate then, now because there's limits, of course, don't forget you need to put square brackets. 2x then, now the power increases by 1, so that'll be 2x cubed over 3. This increases by 1, add 1, you get to the minus 1, but then you've got to divide by that new power, minus 1. Close the square brackets and then put the limits in. No need for a constant because we've got limits. Okay, and you've got this, so we're about to work out the area. And before I do that, maybe we'll tidy this up a little bit. So 2x cubed over 3 minus, so it'll be minus 6 over x. Okay, so take the x back down between 4 and 1, and all we need to do then is chuck in the 4. So 4 cubed over 3, take away 6 over 4. So put in the 4 in, and then we take away then the value when 1 goes in. So 2 times 1 cubed over 3, take away 6 over 1. Okay, so it's just a case of using my calculator now, and then we get our answer. So with the calculator, we'll just type it in exactly as we see it. Okay, cubed all over 3, take away 6 over 4, take away bracket 2, well 1 cubed is just 1, isn't it, so maybe I'll just leave that because it's not going to do anything. Take away 6 over 1, which is just 6, and then I'm going to get my answer, which is 93.2. Okay, you can put it as a decimal if you want, 46.5, and we've got our answer.